everybody. Glad you could join me today. Well, we are making some progress on our wave. I've taken some phthalo blue and some violet, okay, and I've mixed it together, and all we're doing right now is just making some lines like this to indicate the underside of our wave, okay? This is going to be shadow, okay? And we need to have some shadow in there. All right, some of this is going up into the eye of the wave, okay? And then our next step is going to be to put some white up on top here like this, okay? Just like that. This is just titanium white. Okay, we're just going to put some white up here like this. We're going to let it drag down in there a little bit, okay? And then come on up here, just like this. There we go. And we're going to let it start to come down this other side like that, okay? There we go, okay? The wave is beginning now to take on some form, okay? And that's what we need to do at this particular instant time. Now we can come in with our old friend, okay? Come in with our old friend, and we can knock some splash up just like this, okay? We just knock some splash, just twisting and turning and twisting, such as that. And we will put some shadow in that, because there will be. We'll pull some streaks like this, just like that. Okay, over the top, put a little foam up there, okay? And there we go. Now tomorrow, we're going to work some more on our wave. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you. I love you. I love you.